Yeah. It's crazy how somebody can leave, but the memories stay everywhere. Yeah. It's crazy how somebody can leave, but the memories stay everywhere. Your picture's still hanging on the wall, but your voice don't live here anymore. Your perfume still stuck inside my sheets, but your heart walked out that door. Every night I hear the rain and it whispers your name. I keep replaying memories, trying to understand the pain. The couch where we used to laugh together now feels colder every day. And every corner of this house still reminds me you walked away. Now silence became my best friend since the day we reached the end. I thought love would stay forever. Guess forever couldn't defend us. Now I'm dancing in an empty room, talking to the ghost of you. I still hear your laughter in the dark, even though you broke my heart. Empty room, cold nights without you. I thought our love would last forever. Guess forever wasn't true. Empty room, only memories and pain. Your side of the bed still untouched, I can't move on that much. Every text I never sent, still trapped inside my chest. I try to drown you in music, try to heal in city lights, but heartbreak follows me home every single night. Friends say I should let go, but they don't know what we had. Cause losing you feels like losing the only home I ever had. Tell me why love changes when promises felt so real. How do two hearts grow distant when the scars still never heal? Now I'm dancing in an empty room, still making space for you. Your memory lives inside these walls, even after all the falls. Empty room, lonely nights and blue lights. I keep searching for your love inside these sleepless nights. Empty room, and I'm still missing you. Empty room, but your ghost still lives here. Empty room, but your ghost still lives here.